In the beginning, there was nothing. And then there was Owen Wilson. One day, Owen Wilson was leaving TGI Fridays to go to his friend Tyrone's house. On the way, Jack Sparrow, drunk, did not see Owen Wilson, but he skipped merrily out of the way. Owen Wilson avoided the crash, but Jack Sparrow was not so lucky. Said Jack Sparrow.
That'll never happen to me,
thought Owen Wilson. The next day, we find Jack standing in the road on his favorite pole. As he stands, Owen Wilson drives by.
Man, I look good,
Owen Wilson said as he drove, not paying attention and crashing into Jack. Said Jack Sparrow. Said Owen Wilson. The next day, Owen Wilson woke up in the hospital with a splitting headache and had an idea.
Let's go to court,
said Owen Wilson. In court, Owen Wilson told his tragic story of the car crash and how the seatbelt, as he calls it, will help others that get in the same problem as him. Owen Wilson fought long and hard against the evil lawyers who didn't care about others' safety, but in the end,
he won! Yes,
said Owen Wilson. Now, legend has it that Owen Wilson travels around the world spreading the word to use your seatbelt. And who knows, maybe you'll see him one day.
This and all related stories are owned by Nancy the Spider.